side of the sections. Lovely racing wind is the highest point scorer. He stays in pole position. The Oorsies number 50 car is the third highest point scorer in corner Oosthuizen. And then the 911 of Willie du Plessis is the fifth highest point scorer. That means Lino Miller, the SA2 title holder, the tinted vehicle accessory shop, the Spatronics Super Tune. Lino is the second highest point scorer going into this one. The super duper quick JP Kutsia is the fourth highest point scorer. And then the sixth highest point scorer is Anthony Ruber from the Cape Drivers in the Quikrete car. But all that only means where you start in the final. First, second and third over the line, that's what it's all about. You've got to believe Lino Miller is going to be hell-bent on trying to get the whole shot going into the first corner, knowing that the 198 in the hands of Marco Barnard is very, very quick. If Marco Barnard gets the whole shot, I think he might win it. If Lino Miller gets a whole shot, I think he might win it. And they know how important that is going down to turn number one. Should they be side by side, you better believe the 50 car in the hands of his way into third place. That's the nicest way you can say it.
You think that was east?
No, not really. So Lino Miller, let's see how this one's going to play itself out. Du Plessis on the third row of the grid. Simon Jansen. here. Behind that was Anthony Rumer, then it was Du Plessis, then it was William Stein, Zani Janssen, Nadia Jibber, and then Van der Westhuizen coming through behind that. But that battle for first and second was brilliant. The fourth was brilliant. I think you got your money's worth on your entry tickets just out of that race today.